Sounds like fun.
It's my fault. Hello again, everyone. I'm mochan's assistant, Lucy. Today we'll be learning 50 basic everyday English phrases without Japanese audio translations. Look at the translations only when you really don't understand. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
Give me 5.
Give me 5.
Give me 5.
Mind your head.
Mind your head.
Mind your head.
I'll text you.
I'll text you.
I'll text you.
It's his birthday.
It's his birthday.
It's his birthday.
He's very kind.
He's very kind.
He's very kind.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Let's watch this.
Let's watch this.
Let's watch this.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Need any help?
Need any help?
Need any help?
Follow me, please.
Follow me, please.
Follow me, please.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
What's the time?
What's the time?
What's the time?
Sounds like fun.
Sounds like fun.
Sounds like fun.
Check, please.
Check, please.
Check, please.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Come over tonight.
Come over tonight.
Come over tonight.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
It's my treat.
It's my treat.
It's my treat.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
It's my fault.
It's my fault.
It's my fault.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I'm very tired.
I'm very tired.
I'm very tired.
It's so cold.
It's so cold.
It's so cold.
Thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
今日もし本屋に立ち寄ったら語学セクションに行ってこれやってみて。まずはこの本の20ページ目。この本の20ページ目。棚に置かれてなくても補充中で積まれている場合もあるよ。この本の20ページ目。ネイティブが使っているたった30メソッドで英語が好きになる。全国の書店で販売中です。ぜひこの本の20ページに記載されている、いざという時にすごく便利な英語の一言フレーズ、これをぜひ覚えてください。
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I love it.
I love it.
Bring your ID.
Bring your ID.
Bring your ID.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Let's order pizza.
Let's order pizza.
Let's order pizza.
How was it?
How was it?
How was it?
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
Drive more carefully.
Drive more carefully.
Drive more carefully.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
It's too loud.
It's too loud.
It's too loud.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
What's that noise?
What's that noise?
What's that noise?
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Turn left here.
Turn left here.
Turn left here.
I can't wait.
I can't wait.
I can't wait.
Just a second.
Just a second.
Just a second.
今回のレッスンはこれで以上となります。英語のスピーキング力もアップしたい方はぜひこちらの動画も見てみてください。それでは、アディオス！